expect anything now from my life. Well, when you're giving so much wholeheartedly, I think the fruits are just naturally sweet. Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for the warm welcome. It's always a pleasure to be here present with the Longines family. Been with the family for 10 years now, but enjoyed every minute of our association. And I'm glad to be present today at the launch of the Master Collection Retrograde. It's a beautiful model, thank you. I love big dials, strong, makes a fabulous impression. And I'd like to share what I believe about time, and that is, it's all about now. Time is all about now for me, to make the best of now, to give my best to now, and live it to the fullest. Welcome. I think he's covered questions for all of you today. See, when you start a connection or a professional relationship, that it can last as long is. And there is no defined time to it. Yes, every business venture has a contractual time period set to it. But what's wonderful is once you establish a relationship, it kind of stands the test of time. And I'm proud to say that a lot of my endorsement associations definitely have stood that test on very steady ground. And I have had a wonderfully long association with most of my brands. And yes, definitely with Longines. And I was privileged to be in such fine company, belonging to the film fraternity. And we just saw eye to eye immediately in terms of ideologies, in terms of approach, understanding, principle of our day-to-day, our business choices, our approach to our careers, and integrity. So I was very, very happy to associate with the brand. Well, people like me, when I do choose to associate with a brand, then I do definitely commit to it wholeheartedly and would look for every opportunity that I am wearing or using a product of that particular category. Then I would definitely, put my hand or my word where my word is, and definitely commit to the brand I'm endorsing. Do I have any regrets? No, I don't believe in regrets. I think life is definitely a learning curve, and I think if you are present in all your experiences for what they are, you will learn from it, whether they're good, bad, or ugly. Whatever your experiences have been, I think it's important to live them and learn from them. That's all about perspective. It's the way you look at it, whether you look at times as good or bad. It's really about your approach. And I always say, for me, be positive is not just a blood group. So I definitely have a very, very positive approach. And like I said, every experience is looked upon as a learning curve. And it's been a good time thus far.
Barbie doll market में 9 December को आ रही है. Do you launch हो रही है? You think you're missed out because, or you want to give any wishes to Katrina for that because
I don't know how it is for us to be discussing another brand here, but yes, I was asked by that brand, not just now, but I think since Miss World, then at the turn of the millennium, then when my films were a raging success after Cannes, and this year was the 4th time actually that I was requested by that brand, Barbie, to walk the ramp for them on that particular day. But I was a committed professional working with Vipul, and Vipul Shah needed my date on that day. So I was unable to accept that offer to walk the ramp on that particular day for them. And like I said, no regrets whatsoever.
But Aishwarya, the same brand has been given to Katrina Kaif. So any wishes do you want to give her?
Good luck to her.